Liam.
Boom. Boom.
Give him a kiss.
Give Grandpa a kiss. Christmas kiss.
Get your thumbs out of his eyes.
Give Grandpa a kiss.
Liam.
Someone playing.
Liam, what's this?
Look. What's Mommy got?
What's this?
Oh, that's for Liam.
We'll see your present. What's that?
Oh, watch.
Let it fall down on him, Colin.
Careful.
Yay!
Yay!
Rip it open.
Find a spot. Rip it. Pull it.
You get cramp in your
What are
leg.
you doing?
Rip the paper.
It's gonna fall.
Ooh.
Especially if you step in that drool.
That's a small glass cabinet. No.
Oh, I know what it is. That's why I'm not worried about him standing on it.
Okay.
Whoa, Liam.
Okay, rip it open, Liam. Rip the paper.
You can't find a spot.
Get a little tear for him.
Yeah, just put a little finger hole for him.
If he comes around this side.
Rip it open.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Why don't you get off it, honey, and rip it the other way?
He's having fun.
Wow. What's that?
Way to go, boy.
You're gonna fall.